This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Christmas Eve, Thursday, the 24th of December. I'm Michael Groff. Merry Christmas, everyone. And the weather looks to be cooperating with us at least through the holiday weekend, with temperatures pretty close to seasonal averages. Lots of clouds around today and for the first half of tomorrow, but then the sun should return for at least a good portion of the weekend. However, things start to turn a little bit more unsettled as we get to the first half of next week, with increasing clouds and chances of rain and mountain snow. But of course, the question is, will we see anything here in the valley? Well, we'll talk about that and everything else going on. But first, since we're not here tomorrow, it's an early edition of Photo Friday on a Thursday. And for the first time ever, we've shown you local, national, and international pictures, but how about extraterrestrial, celestial shots like this, courtesy of Pete and his telescope from the Jupiter-Saturn alignment from the other night. And I know it's a little bit grainy, but you can clearly see the rings of Saturn there. And with lots of clear sky around, we've had great opportunities to view celestial events like these. Now, a little bit closer to home, courtesy of Josh, these are from West Mesa, the shots of the sunset. And as I always tell you, there are plenty of opportunities for photos here in Arizona all the time, just like these. We don't have to have violent weather, rain, snow, lightning, tornadoes. I know those are always interesting, but these are beautiful, especially this one right here. My goodness. So spectacular stuff. Thank you to everybody, as always, for your submissions. And if you want to get in on Photo Friday, whenever we do it, whether it's Thursday, and it'll be Thursday next week as well with the holiday. So groffshow@gmail.com. That's my email address, groffshow@gmail.com for Photo Friday. All right, as we take a look at that almanac from yesterday, 69 degrees, the afternoon high, 41 was the morning low, the normal high 65, the normal low 44. And unless things change, we will finish the year about 3 inches behind on rainfall. And as we look outside right now, here at 6:50 a.m., we've got mostly cloudy sky. And starting out on the chilly side, 39 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 14, relative humidity 31%. The winds are light, and the barometer way up there at 30.38 inches and steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, and today is really a day of firsts. Man, Christmas has come early. The first celestial shot on Photo Friday, and the first time ever in 38 years of living in Phoenix that I think I've seen this. Sky Harbor Airport is the cold spot in the valley. Starting out at 39 degrees, tied with Tolleson, Goldfield, and North Phoenix. Elsewhere, we're mostly in the 40s through the metro. Here's the upper air look, and we've got a very energetic, deep, vigorous trough over the nation's midsection headed east, and a weak little wave to our west, bringing plenty of high-level moisture around here for us today. And there might be a sprinkle or maybe some rain that doesn't reach the ground across northern Arizona with this, but we're just not going to get any precipitation out of that feature. All it's going to do is provide lots of clouds. As you would expect, the watch warning map is very busy. We've got tornado watches for parts of the Florida Panhandle and extreme southern Alabama. And then look at those winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings extending from northeastern Tennessee through West Virginia, and wind advisories and high wind warnings all the way up into New England with that storm system. So it is a mess for Christmas Eve. Here in Arizona, yes, that is an air quality alert for the Phoenix area and Maricopa County. That's issued by the Maricopa County Department of Environmental Quality. So asthma sufferers and those of you with respiratory issues might want to keep it indoors today or limit your outdoor activity. And the convective outlook, we've got the enhanced risk of severe storms. There could be some tornadoes in association with that vigorous trough from around Charleston up toward Virginia Beach, and a slight risk of severe storms for the adjacent areas as well as over parts of the Florida Panhandle, and a marginal risk through much of Florida. And the precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, probably not much, if anything now. That's how it looks, with only light amounts expected up north or over in the eastern mountains of our state. And we'll talk about this evolving weather pattern and everything else as we dive into modeling. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Big ridge out here in the west and a deep trough in the east. A weak wave undercutting our ridge moving in from the west toward us today. So down at the surface, some clouds around this morning, mostly cloudy by the middle part of the day and through the afternoon hours. Highs this afternoon should be in the low to mid 60s. A pretty nice day overall. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Again, there could be a sprinkle someplace across northern Arizona as this system moves on through. I just don't think there's enough moisture at all to see any rain reaching the ground here in southern Arizona. with those dew points generally in the teens or low 20s, so not going to worry about that. Overnight lows tonight should be down into the mid-30s to low 40s, and then tomorrow for Christmas Day looks nice. Partly sunny in the morning, mostly sunny in the afternoon. High temperatures mid and upper 60s. All right, here we go to the weekend. Looks perfect. Sunny sky on Saturday, mid and upper 60s. Some clouds around for Sunday, mid and upper 60s. The warmest desert spots might even touch 70. Monday, here comes a trough moving into the southwest. We've talked about this for a while. The GFS is very progressive with this feature, and now most of the models are trending that way as well. And with the faster movement of this, it's just not going to have enough time to tap into any real deep moisture. Still, it is a cold enough system that it should wring out at least widely scattered showers, rain and snow across northern Arizona. Isolated showers here for the southern part of the state by Monday afternoon and Monday evening as it swings through. But I just don't think this is going to be any sort of significant rain event. Most of us probably don't see anything out of it, at least not here in Phoenix. High temperatures Monday should be somewhere in the low to mid 60s. And then Tuesday, this run of the GFS is even faster. I still have a chance of showers in our forecast for Tuesday, but I think most of those, if we see any at all, will be out of here by mid to late morning. And it'll just be kind of a breezy day, partly sunny, highs mid and upper 50s. Look at that developing surface low over western Kansas. Could be a pretty decent snowstorm for the central and northern plains. Maybe a few strong storms to the south and east of that surface low in the warm sector. And then Wednesday, that system continues to progress east toward the Great Lakes. Plenty of snow there, rain for the southeastern U.S., and we are dry. Temperatures a little bit below average, still likely in the upper 50s around here, and those overnight lows will be down in the 30s, and again, some spots could see a frost next week. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 31st. It's New Year's Eve. Trough in the east, a dry northwesterly flow out here in the west with a weak ridge. So that looks seasonal and dry. And then let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 2nd of January, 2021. It just sounds good to say that. And a weak wave approaching us from the west could see an increase in clouds, but I doubt we'll see any precipitation with that feature as it exists now, but of course, things can change. All right, looking at rainfall off of the European Ensemble for the Phoenix area, there's 51 members. Yeah, there's still quite a few that are showing some precipitation around here, even a couple that try to bring in some rain with this upcoming feature tonight and tomorrow, but I really doubt that. Next week, some of the members do buy into the idea of some light precipitation, but the ensemble mean is only about 1/10 of an inch, and the models are backing off on rain chances for us. So it's looking a little less likely that we'll see anything before the end of the year. Maybe something, maybe a very light shower, but that's about it right now. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models, pretty close to seasonal averages for the next few days. We'll see that drop in temperatures early next week, highs in the 50s. Overnight lows in the 40s, and of course, cooler pockets get down in the 30s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here on Monday morning. Updates before that if necessary. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, in all sincerity, so much for watching each and every day. It is so very appreciated. You guys be safe out there, okay? And have yourselves a Merry Christmas and an amazing weekend. We'll see you Monday.